this deck screener tutorial, we're going to be taking a closer look at wash trading and washing our hands of this dirty practice that seems to be so prevalent right now in decentralized crypto. Get ready for 20 years of trading game in under 10 minutes. Let's get it. I'm going to move into this deck screener tutorial in just a second, show you guys some real live wash trade examples. But I want to point out right here on our site, on the front page, we have our fearmonger market sentiment index, which will always give you an idea of the market sentiment for Bitcoin, as well as the breadth of the 34 altcoins that we're tracking in real time. This app updates every 5 minutes, and this app is absolutely free, available on our site, along with an aggregate news feed as well. Okay, now stay tuned, and remember, men lie, women lie, but numbers don't lie. Wash trading involves pretending to trade your own items. In this case, we're going to use trading cards to create the illusion of high demand and value. It's a dishonest practice used to deceive others into thinking that the cards are valuable. This is similar to pretending to have many friends at a party to appear popular. However, wash trading is considered unfair and misleading. It can create false impressions and defraud others who want to participate in the market.
You know, if you trade your own token on your own exchange with wash trading, with leverage, you can park the price at any number you want. So,
okay, I'm using P-Drip Crypto. You can see the purpose of wash trading is to inflate the number of transactions, as well as to create a tilt falsely where it looks like there are more buy orders than sell orders. You can see this illustrated right here with a 1 cent order, a 3 cent order. But look at the sales side, $1.47.79, $299. Right there, you can see the same whale account that's prevalent throughout this feed, just doing wash trading. Now here comes something really good. There's a perfect wash trade, 46.54, 46.44, and the 10 cent, that's the difference for a perfect wash. No shame at all. This is P-Dye doing a wash trade in 2 different accounts for pennies back to back. No shame at all. Guys, if you found this information on wash trading helpful, please take a second to click that like button. It helps others to find us here on YouTube and helps support our site and our efforts as well. See you guys on the next video. Once again, this is Alfred from Amassers.com.